today we are gonna
Hi
unbox
guys.
our white.
We just received, natanggap na namin ang aming holiday catalog order.
And this is one of the biggest
This
box.
is a big box. So what's in the box?
Let's see. I'm so excited.
We're gonna open the box. Okay.
This is pretty heavy.
Where is the open? Here. On top.
So this is a heavy box, guys. Is this
We're gonna open the box.
bit heavy? What is this?
Bigat.
And I think it's gonna.
Hirap pa. Okay, wait lang po. We'll just see. And it's a surprise. What's our order? Okay, guys. So, here we are. We are opening our order. Wait, another one. Antay lang. Ayan.
Yes.
Ay, wait, another one. This is a big box. Oop.
And a little heavy too.
Here,
Okay.
this. So, what's
Okay,
in the
guys.
box?
I'm getting straight into it. Oh, we got some stickers.
Yes, stickers.
For
So,
diffusers.
oh, ang dami. Ang dami niyang stickers.
And I'm too excited for this.
Yes!
But we got
Ano nga yan? The blank.
Okay.
Anong collection niya? Anong in-order ko?
Oh.
Sleepover bundle.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
We got Snowy.
It's not. Yes.
Or if you are a Potter fan.
Yeah, may kapatid na si
I
Feather
finally
the
got
Owl.
Hedwig.
May kapatid na ang Feather the Owl namin. And ang ganda-ganda ng mga sticker niya. Look, so many ribbons. May crown pa.
But I think I'm gonna make it into Hedwig.
Look,
I'm
diba?
gonna take.
Sobrang ganda.
Oh, wow.
Talagang pang winter.
I'm definitely turning this into Hedwig.
Yeah, this one.
Guys, this is so cute.
And
We even have these ones. But I
diba?
still want to turn it
Ang
into
ganda.
Hedwig. Now time to unbox Snowy.
Ang ganda-ganda. Look, so nice. Nice to have this.
Okay, so Snowy is like
Wait, let's check
A
first the...
white.
How about... so you're going to open that.
Snowy is like a white feather. But
White Feather the Owl.
yeah.
Okay, so...
And this is
Okay,
wow.
careful.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow.
This is hard.
Oh, careful. Tada!
Oh wow. This is so
this
cute.
is Snowy.
It looks like Hedwig.
Oh, yes.
It looks like Hedwig.
Gusto niyang gawin si
And the
Hedwig
only
daw.
thing
And then our Feather the Owl will turn into Harry Potter na.
And the only thing I'm saying that because I like Harry Potter too much right now.
Yes. So, ito ganda naman ito. So, open natin to. Ang
And
gano'n
this
siya
looks like
kalaki.
a snow owl, and it works just like our little
Yes,
feather.
cute.
Even has teeth, so it's like a white version of feather.
Yes, look,
That-
very white.
It's very white even in the inside.
Yes.
And
Ay, ang lambot ng
wow! This is so
sobrang
cool.
ganda.
And fluffy.
Ang lambot-lambot, ang sarap matulog pag
I
ganito.
wanna turn this.
Yes, tingnan mo, meron pang
Super soft.
Feather, Sobrang soft niya.
So
And
cute.
then,
It's
meron
even
pang,
a bed set.
this is a pillow.
Just kidding.
Yes, so, wow, ang ganda.
This is.
Let's open the pillow.
I want to.
Here. No, let's use
This
this
is pretty cool. And fluffy.
Ooh, ganda.
Okay. Oh, cute.
And you can see.
It's soft and there's a little.
Yay!
Feather the owl.
Ang lambot. Sarap matulog dito.
And this is pretty fluffy.
Yes, ang sarap
Okay. Now let's move on
So
to the
this
oil.
is the one. Ito yung lalagyan ng oil. So at night
So you
para.
can put it here.
Yes.
It's like
So
a little
whenever,
pocket.
kapag matutulog na.
But I think
bango.
I might use it.
Ang bango ng
I'm gonna use this.
Ano niya.
Super soft.
Ang sarap. Look, meron pa
Okay.
siyang ni feather, Chee! Ang cute. Ang Cute. Ang cute ng mga ano.
And it actually looks like feather
Bedroom.
from
And we also have what else in the box?
oils.
We have oils na free.
That I almost forgot.
Ooh. Sleepies and RC. So sleepy. So kids sense
That's
sleepy.
cute.
So this is for it promotes a restful sleep for your kiddos and for us also adults.
And here's another look.
And RC also. Here's an RC 5 ml. Ito, oh, kasama siya. Pag binili to, si Snowy, may kasama siyang RC. Pag binili mo naman tong bedroom collection, may kasama siyang Kid Sense Sleepies. Yan. O, diba? Ganda, diba? So,
And
that's...
here is another look at Snowy.
And
this is
you
why
can
it
also...
looks like Hedwig.
It has
because
also,
it has
ano,
the
sa
dots.
likod, oh.
It's
Yan.
just like
So,
feather.
meron din siyang mga...
It's just white.
You can choose white
and
noise.
gray. And it's so cute. I can't wait to use it. Maybe it will have different music.
Yes, our favorite is spa. Pang spa. Sarap tulog paggabi. O, di ba? May kapatid na si Feather the Owl namin.
But I'm gonna call
Have
it
you seen our
Hedwig.
Feather the Owl? There is our Feather the Owl.
But I'm gonna
So,
change the sticker into Harry Potter.
Yes, it will going to turn into Hedwig.
Yeah. This actually looks
Let's see what will happen. What will be the itsura na nito.
I'm not gonna put the sticker
Okay,
on it.
so that's all for today's Tcharan! Our pillow.
Bye guys.
Please like our page and follow also.
And also check out our YouTube channel for more YL unboxing.
Yes, for more unboxing videos with our family. Bye-bye,
And if you want to
guys.
see Hedwig, just
Okay.
stay tuned.
Yeah. Okay, see you on our next video. Unboxing and chan. Ang sarap talaga nito, oh.
Alright, so we'll see you next
Bye-bye.
time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.